In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Chrome more secure. Keeping your browser secure is one of the simplest ways to protect your personal information online. In just a few clicks, you can enable stronger protections against dangerous websites, malware, and deceptive downloads. And you can also choose a trusted DNS provider for safer connections. Let's walk through this together, step by step. Start by opening Google Chrome. If you already have it running, make sure you're on any browser tab so you can access the main menu. Look to the top right corner of Chrome and click the three vertical dots. This opens the main menu where all your browser controls and preferences live. From that menu, click on Settings. This will open a new tab dedicated to Chrome's configuration. Don't worry, everything you change here can be adjusted later if you need to. On the left-hand sidebar of the Settings page, select Privacy and Security. This section groups the tools that help control what Chrome shares, what it blocks, and how it protects you as you browse. Now, click on Security. You'll see Chrome's safe browsing options here, which are designed to detect and warn you about risky sites, malicious extensions, and harmful downloads. Choose Enhanced Protection. This setting gives you the strongest built-in safeguards Chrome offers. With Enhanced Protection, Chrome proactively checks sites and files against constantly updated threat data, helping block attacks earlier and warning you faster if something looks suspicious. It can also provide better alerts about potentially compromised credentials and offers stronger defenses against phishing attempts. Keep in mind that to deliver these quicker protections, Chrome may share limited security-related information with Google. If you prefer a lighter touch, you can always switch back later, but Enhanced is the most comprehensive option for everyday safety. While you're still on the security page, scroll to the section for your DNS provider. Here, you can choose a reputable provider for secure DNS resolution. Selecting a provider like Cloudflare is a popular choice because it emphasizes privacy and speed, but you can pick any trusted option that appears in the list. Using a recognized DNS provider helps encrypt and securely route the lookups your browser makes when visiting websites, adding another layer of protection to your browsing. That's it. Your changes apply immediately, and you can close the Settings tab when you're done. By enabling enhanced protection and selecting a trusted DNS provider, you've significantly strengthened Chrome's defenses. Browse confidently, and remember to stay cautious with unfamiliar links and downloads.